How to turn off low power mode on iPhone. Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, we're talking about how to turn off low power mode on iPhone. And if you stay till the end of the video, I will show you a shortcut that makes this a lot easier and a lot faster. First, we're going to go ahead and load up our settings app on our iPhone, and then we'll go and scroll down to the settings for the battery, right down here. We'll go ahead and tap on that. And right here, you can see the toggle of low power mode is turned on. And you'll also notice that this battery indicator at the top right is yellow. Let's go ahead and tap this toggle and turn it off. And you'll notice the battery indicator has turned back to black. Now for the shortcut to do this even faster, we'll go back to settings. Then we'll go up to control center right here. And then from here, we'll make sure that low power mode is in the list of included controls. And if it's not, just simply scroll down until you find it right here and hit the little green plus next to it. Then we'll swipe down from the top right to Control Center, and we'll go ahead and just tap this right here. That will enable low power mode, and tapping again will disable low power mode. That allows your iPhone to get a little bit more battery life by running apps in a low power state. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure and subscribe.